Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to enable Steam Overlay both for all games and for just one specific game. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Steam library and the top menu bar. Now, let's enable Steam Overlay for all games. Open your Steam app, then go to the top left corner and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now click on the In-Game section on the left side. You'll see an option that says, Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Make sure that box is checked. Once you've done that, click OK to save your settings. Boom, Steam Overlay is now turned on globally for all your games. Next, let's enable it for just one game. Go to your Steam library and find the game you want. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the General tab, scroll down until you see Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Check that box if it isn't already. Once it's checked, you can close the window. Steam saves it automatically. That's it. You've now enabled the Steam Overlay for all your games and also learned how to do it for a single game. The next time you play, just press Shift plus Tab to open the overlay while you're in-game. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simple tech guides. See you in the next one.